Alright, so we're on day 10, I want to say. So I've changed the inverter. So we now have a pure sine wave inverter, still 3000 watts. And this one seems to draw less current. I don't know if you can see the volt meter there, so it's putting out 204 volts. That's with obviously power off, and that's with the heater going. So still dropping the battery voltage down though, but I'm sure if we run that it will help. So jobs for today then, I need to mount this properly. I'm going to add in another cut out switch. That's beeping to say it's low voltage. So let's just turn it off a minute to shut you up. Right, so yeah, mount this properly. Build a little section to go across here to separate this lot from being damaged by storage. Recarpet subwoofer box. Tidy up wiring. Build a little panel for over here to cover this lot up. Sort out those cables down there a bit more. And maybe, if we're lucky, change the diesel filter. So we've carpeted the subwoofer box. See down there, and down. So box is carpeted. I've panelled off the inside of here. I've made myself a nice little door with a bolt on it, so you can access in there. Like that. And now we've got some power plugs with two 3.1 amp USBs at this end, two 12 volt accessory sockets there, and a USB double socket there. Another socket there. I've added a kill switch which will disconnect the inverter. New inverters in, all wired. I'm going to carpet this panel tomorrow, which separates everything from the inverter, and I think I'll carpet behind here as well. And so I can see what I'm doing, I'm going to add some LEDs under here as well, which will be useful. I still need to make the panel that's down there, haven't done that yet, but that's only a 2-minute job. And I still haven't done the diesel filter, or the oil filter, or any of the good stuff. Oh, and I've got a new little remote key fob, so I can unlock and lock the doors with the key fob instead of having to try and do it with a key all the time, because I can never find the bloody hole. Yeah, out and I've hoovered. Got a bit of a hoover in here. Not everything, but some things have been hoovered. Still need to sort out the wiring in here, just to tidy that up, get some cable clamps on it and things like that. And my new center console was supposed to be delivered today, but it hasn't been, typically. And that's not coming from Amazon. Oh, well, I've got the right angle metal strips along here and across the two parts of the bed. And then that's the interior pretty much done. Anyway, I'm almost done. It's day 10. I reckon by day 12 it'll be completely finished. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.